Generating $10,000 per month in passive income has become easier with the advanced features of ChatGPT. This AI tool can help create automated revenue streams. Leverage ChatGPT to create high-value digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses that can be sold repeatedly. Identify a niche, draft content, design outlines, and sell products on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Blogging can become a source of passive income if you use ChatGPT to generate SEO-optimized posts regularly. Select a profitable niche, draft engaging articles with ChatGPT, and monetize with Google AdSense and affiliate links. Offer a subscription service featuring exclusive content, with ChatGPT automating content creation. Create a gated platform charging $20 to $50 monthly, targeting 200 to 500 subscribers for $10,000 per month. Use ChatGPT to assist in setting up and running a dropshipping store, making operations almost hands-free. Find trending products and create high-converting listings while automating communications. Earn commissions through affiliate marketing by promoting high-ticket products with content generated by ChatGPT. Select affiliate programs with high commissions and create review articles and email funnels. Develop a SaaS product powered by ChatGPT to solve business problems and charge subscription fees. Creating a $10,000 per month passive income stream is achievable for everyone. Start small and scale strategically with ChatGPT.